platform and all of the terapetabytes of all kinds of servers full of historical information, way back to when we first implemented it, is this incredible, rich, almost delightful data source that we can go back and look at, and then, build predictive models from deterioration, and, then look at and build other algorithms on to find out what the events in the ICU affect the child hemodynamically, different than we had thought previously. What we thought was pretty benign, we're finding with the review of the sick bay data that's historical, we're finding it wasn't maybe so benign. And can we change our practice to be safe? And so that historical data is, like I said, incredibly rich, and we are learning more and more about how to use it. And then the real-time data that I said now it was in our back pocket. We knew about it. We were using it somewhat, but now it is front and center. It's in our toolbox. I believe that it certainly has enriched our practice. We went into crisis mode for COVID, but I believe that using the sickbay platform in our everyday practice has only enriched it, such that really for the benefit of the child. So it's going to continue to be in our toolbox every single day, with patient conferences and with patient review and subspecialty review over a virtual platform, rather than always at bedside. I believe it'll be more of a hybrid model that you hear about corporate saying, in the hybrid model. I think we're going to adopt a hybrid model from here on out, and always be using it in our toolbox. That sickbay platform, like I said, has always been fantastic, and now has really just become much more, even more enriching. So I think it just moves us along and accelerated. I think we would have gotten there. I think COVID actually has done a lot of good for our practice in a way. It sounds so crazy to say that, but it really has accelerated a lot of things. I think we would have gotten there, but we've gotten there much faster in the use of technology.